What's up, guys? I am currently standing right under the brake run, for Maxx Force, and a lot of work has been done since opening weekend when we were last here. For one, the track is 100% completed. The transfer track is covered. The trains are here, and if you come around here, you can see a lot of pavement is being laid. See across there, that's where the queue will be. That has been repainted. The station itself is underway. It's looking pretty nice. It's still unsure of when this ride will open to the public, but you can guarantee that people are really excited about this ride. So more to come. See you guys later.